Okay, welcome back again. And coming to the Bravis lattice systems, that means types of unit cells. We studied in previous lecture about the unit cell, and now we are going to study about types of unit cells. Types of unit cells. We are going to study about these things. To study about the types of unit cell, we have primary lattice systems as 7. Primary lattice systems. There are 7, and actually total are 14. No one will ask this 14 until and unless if you become a material science engineer in MTech. How many are required as of engineering point of view? We need only 7. I'll explain those 7 clearly. There are 7 types. First one coming with cubic system. As we studied earlier, to define a lattice, we need lattice parameters A, B, C. These actually represent the dimensions, but in material science, with respect to unit cell, these were called as lattice parameters. Okay, and next for this thing, we are having interfacial angles. That means the angle with respect to each axis. For suppose if we take x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, the angle between x and y will be alpha, y and z will be beta, and z and x will be gamma. This can be of anything. I am denoting this as alpha, this is as beta, and this is as gamma, but it can be of any type. This can be of alpha, this can be of beta, this can be of gamma, but the concept will remain same. Okay, and now there are 7 types. I'll just first list out all those 7 and I'll explain in a brief. Okay, first one is cubic system. See, you learn in this order only. Why? Because it will be easy to memorize. Okay, and second one, triclinic system. Third one is tetragonal system. Fourth one is orthorhombic system, and fifth one is hexagonal, and sixth one is rhombohedral, seventh one is monoclinic. Okay, first one coming to the cubic system. Well, coming to the cubic system, everyone knows how a cube will be. Same, the system also will be in that way only. First one, cubic. For a cube, all the 3 sides will be same, A, B, C. So, A equal to B equal to C. For a cube, all the angles are also 90 degrees. So, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees. Sorry. And now coming to the triclinic system. It is exactly opposite of cubic system. That means A not equal to B not equal to C, and alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma not equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now you remember 2 out of 7 we completed 2. Next, another 4 are there, sorry 5 are there. And coming to the tetragonal system, T, you remember an RTC bus, how it looks like? It will be something of in this way. Assume is the front as a square and remaining as a rectangle. Okay, so for a square, this is A, this is, sorry, let me denote this as A, this as B, and this as C. Assume this as a square, and this is this is a rectangle. That if you see A equal to B, but this is not equal to C, and all the angles are 90 degree. Okay, so alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. This is for tetragonal system. When coming to the orthorhombic system, it will be of this kind only. Ortho means 90 degrees. That means all the angles are 90 degrees, but not all the sides were not equal. Okay. And now coming to the hexagonal system. Hexagonal, the name itself represents hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Sorry, I think this won't work out, this diagram. This is a hexagon. In this way the hexagonal system will be. This will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. Okay. In hexagonal system, the A and B values will be same. A equal to B, but the C is different. And the angles, this is alpha, beta, and backside gamma. Alpha equal to 120 degrees and beta comma gamma are 90 degrees. Okay. This is hexagonal system. If we come rhombohedral system, rhombo, it is indicating rhombus. In rhombus, how it will be? All sides will be same. So A equal to B equal to C. And but in rhombus, not all angles are 90 degrees. So alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, these were not equal to 90 degrees. But it can be anything, but they won't be 90. Well, coming to monoclinic system, all sides will not be equal, and alpha and beta will be 90 degrees, but gamma will not be 90. These are the basic systems which you need to remember. Thank you.